Yan, cabin food today is sabaw na nilagyan ng sayote. You like it? Eat mo na yung sayote.
Sayote?
Put it in your spoon.
Wait, empty.
Ganyan. Oh, yung sausaw. It's yummy?
I found the egg and yummy.
What tastes like? Is it good? Okay. It's good. Sino nagluto niyan? Ano yan? Tinatanong ka lang kung sino nagluto.
You.
You. Eat more.
I tired.
You're tired eating? What make you tired eating?
I tired with eating.
No, don't do that in front of the food. Your eyes. Yun na, finish mo na yan. Kasi let's go to the store.
Or is it? I see it now.
Finish mo na yan. Eat mo na.